Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the most messed up game I ever saw. It's just messed up completely. Yeah. So yeah, let me get to the game. Where is it? Mouse, where are you? What the heck? Oh, I wasn't even touching my mouse. So dumb. All the way up? Okay. Yeah, I have to do all this stuff before I get in. It's so dummy. Okay. Okay, so Flash has lovely home. Play. That's, of course, me. So we're gonna go inside. And there's Fluttershy. She looks really cute. Oh, look at those pictures on the wall. Why is that one blank? Oh, why is that one blank? That's weird. Okay. Yes. So I'm taking our time and then. Oh gosh. Okay. Sorry about that. Little mishap. So this is her room. Sure. Okay, access. Okay, well, let's see what happens if I try to get out. And I can't get out. Yeah, that's probably left. Nuh-uh. I'm right here. Woman, where is she? Alright, she's in here. What's over here? Cool. Sure, why not? I'm going to the sink. Chill. Yeah, sure, whatever. Okay, got to go now. Yes. Goodbye, I guess. Oh, what? What happened? Why can't I go? Oh, yeah, she has to show us something. Yes. Oh, I dropped it. Okay. Thank you. Just go over here. I don't think you guys can see it. So I'll try to get it. You guys can see it a little bit. Okay. What? Why can't I go through there? Fluttershy? Oh, fine. What? What is that? Why does she have a knife in her hand? Or in her mouth? Oh my gosh, no. Ooh, it's kind of creepy, don't you think? She has this creepy thing in her mouth. And there she is. Oh my goodness. I don't know why she has a G on her. Oh, I died. Okay. So, let's keep on going. Okay, look, I'm alive again. Fluttershy. Let me do something real quick. Hi Fluttershy. You need to stay here with me. But now you know a little too much about me. Duh. Huh? But I'm going to fix that right away. Don't worry, this won't hurt a bit. We'll always be friends. So goodbye, my friend. Fluttershy, you're really creepy. Oh, I died. So yeah, that's messed up for people who actually like My Little Pony. That we're obviously gonna search up, you know, Fluttershy's lovely house. Maybe, I don't know. So let's see what's up here now. Ooh, it's a party for me. The end. Okay, so yeah guys, that's my pretty messed up game. I hope you enjoy. Click the thumbs up and see you in my next video. Bye.